Turtles are often seen as one of the easiest pets you can get. They're quiet, slow-moving, and don't demand attention like dogs or cats. But this idea couldn't be more wrong. In reality, turtles are one of the most misunderstood and improperly cared for pets in the world. And the biggest problem is that many people don't realize their mistakes until it's too late. Because turtles don't just live a few years, some of them can live for decades. In fact, depending on the species, pet turtles can live anywhere from 20 to over 50 years, some even live longer. That means getting a turtle is not a short-term decision, it's a long-term commitment that can last most of your life. And that's where many owners go wrong. They buy a small turtle, often as a baby, without realizing how big it will get or how long it will live. Over time, the turtle outgrows its tank, its needs increase, and the owner isn't prepared. So let's break down everything you need to know before getting a turtle, or to improve the life of one you already have. First, let's talk about the types of turtles commonly kept as pets. The most popular pet turtle is the red-eared slider. These turtles are small when young but can grow much larger over time. Other common species include painted turtles, musk turtles, and map turtles. Most of these are aquatic or semi-aquatic, meaning they spend a lot of time in water but still need access to land. That brings us to one of the biggest mistakes people make: improper habitat setup. A small plastic container with a little bit of water is not a suitable home for a turtle. Turtles need space. A general rule is about 10 gallons of water per inch of shell length. So a turtle with a 5-inch shell should have at least a 50-gallon tank. They also need clean water, and this requires a strong filtration system. Turtles produce a lot of waste, and without proper filtration, the water quickly becomes dirty and harmful. Dirty water can lead to infections, shell rot, and serious health issues. Turtles also need a basking area, a dry spot where they can climb out of the water and fully dry off. This is essential for their health. Above the basking area, there should be a heat lamp and a UVB light. UVB light is critical because it helps turtles produce vitamin D3, which allows them to absorb calcium. Without UVB, turtles can develop metabolic bone disease, which weakens their bones and shells. Temperature is also very important. Water should be kept within a specific range depending on the species, and the basking area should be warmer. Now let's talk about diet. Many people think turtles can survive on dried pellets alone. While pellets can be part of their diet, they are not enough. Turtles are omnivores, especially when young. They need a mix of protein and plant matter. Young turtles tend to eat more protein, such as insects, worms, or specially formulated turtle food. As they grow, many species shift toward more plant-based diets, including leafy greens and aquatic plants. A balanced diet is essential for proper growth and shell development. Feeding only one type of food can lead to nutritional deficiencies. Calcium is especially important. Many owners provide cuttlebone or calcium supplements to support shell health. Now let's talk about behavior. Turtles are not social pets in the same way dogs or cats are. They do not need affection or constant interaction. However, they are not boring animals. They explore their environment, recognize feeding times, and can become quite active, especially when they associate their owner with food. Handling turtles should be kept to a minimum. They can become stressed when handled too often, and some may bite if they feel threatened. Another important thing to understand is hygiene. Turtles can carry bacteria like Salmonella, which can be harmful to humans. This doesn't mean turtles are dangerous, but it does mean proper hygiene is essential. Always wash your hands after handling a turtle or cleaning its tank. Never clean turtle equipment in areas where food is prepared. Health issues in turtles are often caused by improper care. Shell rot, soft shells, respiratory infections, and eye problems are common in turtles kept in poor conditions. Signs of illness include lethargy, loss of appetite, swollen eyes, soft or discolored shell, and difficulty swimming. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to seek veterinary care from a reptile specialist as soon as possible. Now let's talk about some of the biggest mistakes turtle owners make. Keeping turtles in small tanks is one of the most common problems. Not providing UVB lighting is another major issue that leads to serious health conditions. Feeding an unbalanced diet, not cleaning the tank regularly, and not understanding their long lifespan are also major mistakes. Many turtles are abandoned or rehomed because owners weren't prepared for how much care they actually require. So, should you get a turtle? If you want a pet that requires minimal interaction but still needs a carefully maintained environment, a turtle can be a good choice. But you must be prepared for the long-term commitment, the cost of proper equipment, and the time needed to maintain their habitat. Turtles are not low-maintenance pets. They are long-term responsibilities. But when cared for properly, they can live long, healthy lives and become fascinating animals to observe. If you're willing to put in the effort, owning a turtle can be a rewarding experience. But if you're not prepared, it's better to choose a pet that fits your lifestyle more easily. Because at the end of the day, responsible pet ownership is about understanding the needs of the animal, not just choosing what looks easy. If this video changed how you see turtles, subscribe for more deep animal guides, and let us know in the comments which animal you want to learn about next.